Hello friends, in this short and quick video, I'm going to show you how to disable narrow options bar in Photoshop CC. So guys, if you want to disable and turn off narrow options bar, so just you need to follow some steps. First thing you have to do, click on edit, then hover cursor on preferences. So find out in this list preferences, then click on workspace. So here you will see option enable narrow options bar. So guys, if you want to disable, so just deselect this box. Narrow options bar, you need to deselect this box, then click on OK. That's it. So like this guys, you can disable and turn off narrow options bar in your Photoshop Studio. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.